Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful video of hand embroidery designs for dresses. Guys, this video contains a very beautiful, elegant and stylish collection of waterline embroidery designs. Waterline embroidery designs could be designed for any type of your dress designing idea or even if for different type of purposes of your DIY home decor ideas. The basic things and the embroidery stitches which are being used for making these embroidery patterns are an embroidery frame and an embroidery needle, an embroidery thread, and the embroidery stitches, which are most of the times are being used at lazy daisy stitch for the smaller leaves, French knot for filling up the floral centers, and satin stitch for making flowers. And the creativity is not only limited to this. You can also make use of different type of threads like anchor, DMC, embroidery wool, and stepper for making these very beautiful patterns of embroidery. Ranging from simple and basic easy beginner friendly embroidery stitches like stem stitch, fly stitch, chain stitch and lazy daisy stitch are being used. So I hope that you are liking the design ideas, and this video is in the continuation of our previous video into which I have been sharing a wide variety of borderline embroidery designs, because borderline embroidery designs are the designs which you like the most and continuously keep suggesting me in suggestion or comments box to upload more variety and designs of borderline embroidery. So guys, if you really like my today's video and designs, then don't forget to like, subscribe and leave comments in the comment section that what you want me to share in my new upcoming video. Up till then, thank you so much for watching.